I can't tell you how cool it felt to wake up this morning and this be the view. Well done.
The house.
Yeah, we used to live here. Do you see? What do you think? Papa, this used to be your bedroom. Well, our bedroom. We used to sleep in here together.
That's cool.
It's very cool. What do you think? Wow, it is so full circle to be back here. Crazy to think that just a few years ago we were here with Apollo and we brought in our baby here, and man, it was just a time of new beginnings because obviously we didn't know what being parents would be like. We didn't know what our life was gonna look like. And we were going back to America, which was scary and stressful and new. Hey, Daniel.
Hey.
Man, and to be here with our little babies, we have multiplied. So the last time that we were in this house, we were a family of 3, and now we are a family of 4. So Daniel and I found out that we were expecting in August of 2022, and now she's 2 months old, 2.5 months old. Apollo loves her. Oh my God, he is the sweetest little boy. He gives her kisses, wants to sing her to sleep. It's just overall the best big brother ever. And she is an easy baby. She doesn't cry. She's just really even-tempered and sweet. Oh, look at this. Yeah. Do you see the jungle? Oh, Papa, no, we don't climb that.
It is like fun. We can look.
Go.
That's doing. Wake up.
Did you wake up? Say, we're going to dinner.
To dinner.
Even the treacherous drive I missed from coming up to the Glass Palace, I forgot how steep that was.
Yeah, it's pretty steep.
We're going to Lele. Get in the car. Where are you going? Where are you going? What did you say we were gonna eat, Apollo?
Eat fish.
Yeah.
He's gonna eat some fish too. Give me 1 second.
Baba, do you see the ocean? Yeah. Cheers. Oh man, I cannot believe that we just completed our first night at the Glass Palace after living here. Last night, after the kids went to bed, Daniel and I just went through all of the different stories, our favorite stories of being here, which we both agreed was when we brought Apollo home. And just other things, even just silly things like coming in and bringing in the groceries, or sitting on the balcony when Apollo was a little peanut and putting him on this little bed that we have so he could stare at the view, or rocking him to sleep here in this bedroom. You know, we would bring in one of the chairs from the dining room that are over there and rock him right here. So there's just so many beautiful memories in this house, and Apollo was so excited. Oh my God, I have a picture of Apollo last night. We were snuggling in the bed and he was like, "Daddy, picture." This is that picture. So anyway, it's just a time full of joy, and it's crazy because we've seen Apollo be this little so long, and the last time that we were here, Apollo was this little in this bed. So to be here with little baby Atlas back in this house is so special. And he's been having so much fun this morning. Apollo. Who are you talking to, Bubba?
Abuela.
Oh, you're talking to Abuela? Yeah, we should call her this morning.
What kind?
All right, you're gonna hold it like that with both hands.
To be fair, this house is a wonderland. So I would be just as excited. I am just as excited. I can't tell you how cool it felt to wake up this morning and this be the view. This is the balcony. If you guys haven't seen the video, we actually did a tour. This is actually officially called the Mountaintop Villa. We call it the Glass Palace lovingly because, I mean, as you can see, every single wall that faces the jungle or the ocean is made out of glass. But we have a full tour that you can see down in the link below. But it was just so cool to get up, to wake up. So many mornings that we woke up with little Apollo. Again, we would open up the doors to the bedroom. We would watch the ocean from the bed while also snuggling our newborn. It was just the perfect situation we could have been in. And it happened during COVID. So we were just extremely fortunate. Anyway, all that to say, we love this property. It means so much to us. And we don't live here anymore. We still live in Krabi, but we've moved somewhere that's a little bit smaller, a little bit more normal looking, doesn't have this epic view. But if you were interested in staying here, you can find this on Agoda, on Booking, on a bunch of other travel websites. And you can also click the link down below if you were interested in staying here to check the prices for the season. Because it's so cool. It really is just the most beautiful property in Krabi. And believe me when I tell you that you do not get this view anywhere. We have eaten at a billion restaurants, at a bunch of different cafes, and there are some, especially the ones around here, that get pretty close. Hilltop Restaurant being one, and Lele Grill, where we ate yesterday. Both of those have the same exact view, but this is actually a little bit higher than both of those. If you look down this mountain, it's a little bit higher, so the view's even better. And come on, private view of sunset in Krabi. You know you want to. Click the link down below if you wanted to book, and we'll see you guys on our next adventure. Bye.